Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for being here. So today we are going to do a number sense routine. Can anybody see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off by asking to take a minute and look at my screen and look both of the squares that I have there with information about money. Take a minute and look at it. Okay, so now that you have some time to think and to see it, I would like to ask, would you rather have $5 bills and 2/4 today or 28 quarters next week? Anybody like to?
I would rather have the $5 bills and the 2/4 today.
Okay, why would you rather have that?
I don't think I would want 28 quarters.
You why do you think you don't want the 28 quarters? Is it because it's too much?
I know it's more money, but I just feel like it'd be easier to put $5 bills into my wallet or whatever I keep my money in. And then
Okay.
instead of like cramming 28 quarters into like the bottom of my purse, they're not really gonna fit in my wallet.
Okay. So does anyone agree with Brooke, or do you have any other specific reason, or you can choose another one?
I agree with Brooke, but my reason is different. I, while I also agree that dollar bills are better tomorrow, next week, it's not promised. So I want to make sure I get those $5 bills and 2/4 today because I don't know if I'm making it next week. I'm young and healthy, but things happen.
Okay, so will someone would like to add on to what Caitlin just said?
I disagree with Brooke and Caitlin. I want the 28 quarters next week because it is more money. And I feel like I'm an optimist. So I feel like I would be here next week. And if I did have the $28 next week, that means I could get coffee before class. It would pay for my coffee.
Okay, so Caitlin, can you restate what Taylor just said?
She said that she would prefer to get coffee next week and use the money, the 28 quarters, to buy her coffee.
Because that's
Okay, so
$7. 28 quarters is $7.
yes, I was just about to ask if you choose that because of the amount of money that it makes or just because.
I chose it because of the amount of money it made.
So you are telling me that you chose the quarters? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So why you chose the quarter? What is the amount of money that you getting?
It was $7.
So $7. And how did you get to that answer?
I got to that answer. I initially started by doing 28 times 0.25 because each quarter is 25 cents. But then I realized it's too complicated to multiply with decimals. And I divided 28 by 4 and got 7 because 4 quarters makes $1.
Okay, so instead of doing the 0.25 28 times, you just multiply the 4 quarters per dollars. Is that what you're saying?
Uh, I divided it. So I took 28 and I divided it by 4
Okay, so you
and
took
got 7.
28 and divided by 4.
Yes,
And that gave you
7.
7. Awesome. Is that how you did it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Caitlin, would you like to add a little bit more or tell me a different way that you can do this?
Yeah, so I thought about the 28 quarters as basically how I thought about it was 24 quarters is $6. And then I added 4 quarters to that. So I forgot my 28 times 4 fact. So I went to my closest 4 fact, which was like 6 times 4 is 24. And then I added 4 quarters to get 20.
Okay, so you did that because you knew that the 6 times 4 was 24.
And it got me close enough.
It got you closer enough. Okay, awesome. Anyone would like to add on or restate what Caitlin just said?
So Caitlin knew that 6 times 4 was 24, and then she just added on those other 4 quarters to get 28.
Okay, so that was great participation. Thank you so much. You guys did a great job.
Thank you.